Alright, we're doing a carpet cleaning here, and we're using something no one's ever seen before. This will be the first time on YouTube or anywhere anyone's seen this. This is going to be a full Ryobi cleaning valve. This is the Ryobi 4-gallon sprayer. I've already come over here and pre-sprayed the carpets with a cleaning solution, but I've let them sit and let the cleaning solution work itself in for like 20 minutes. So now I'm going to rehydrate the carpet to make sure it's safe and wet. We'll probably run, because I'm going to run a bonnet over it, and you don't want to run a bonnet over carpets unless they're pretty wet. Now this is just water. There's no chemical in this. I've already put a cleaning solution down, so I'm cleaning straight with water right now. This is just to rehydrate the carpet and to reactivate the pre-spray. When you get pre-spray reactivated, it starts working again. Some people don't know that, but it's true. So, these sprayers will last you a real long time if you don't run chemicals through the pump, and because the chemicals will damage the seals, the pumps, and everything. So now here's coming phase 2 of the deal. No one's ever seen this before. It'll be the first time ever on the internet or on YouTube. This is the Ryobi power scrubber, and I'll show you real quick. Everyone sees them in the store as brushes, but they make a pad dropper with Velcro on it, and it cleans carpets. On the Velcro, it grips quite well. Now, this is the kind of machine we're going to use it in our business. We don't know if they burn up or not. We've only had this machine for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. We don't know how long they last. It seems to be pretty durable. I'm running a 14-inch bonnet on a 6-inch pad dropper, and it don't have any trouble dropping the bonnet. It's not like it's straining or overloading. This is a 210 horsepower rotary. And I recommend these for like sometimes we go to places.
210 RPM.
210 RPM. It's a 210 RPM rotary. But I recommend this for places like, sometimes we go to trailer parks and the electrical, the places walk in, they look like a dump. And I do not want to plug my machine in their outlets. This will work for trashed out trailers that you don't want to plug into. This will work if someone calls and says, I've got a carpet I like done, but there's no electricity. This will work for that. It's like using a hand polisher, and I clean carpets with hand polishers when I had to in trailers, and they work. In fact, they work real well and real fast. But as you can see, this isn't a heavy solid carpet because we keep up with it for the guy that owns it. But it is a dirty carpet. I mean, it's cleaning the carpet anyway, all the same. It's not having any trouble or any strain on the motor. These machines are about $110 at Home Depot. That's who sells Ryobi. They're about $110, and if you already have a battery, if you have to buy a battery, then batteries are kind of expensive, batteries and chargers. But if you already have the machine, already have the battery, the machine itself is about $10 or $110, and it comes with a green brush, which we'll show in another video. We already have showed, but we'll show it again anyway soon. It comes with a brush. And you can buy a black brush and a blue brush for $10 a piece. And of course you can buy this pad jobber. If you want to get the gray brush, the black brush, and the blue brush, and you want to get the pad jobber, you're going to be spending about $175, $180
I don't know.
for all the stuff. So, but it's if you ever want to work in cheap places that you're afraid to plug into with a regular machine, this will do it. If you want to work when there's no electricity at some place, this will do it. So it's not what I say it should be your main tool, but it is something that will help you in certain situations. And I paint some dirty carpets with it, and it does clean carpets. It's 210 RPM, so it cleans like a car polisher. So anyway, we just wanted to show you this real quick, and that's the video. We'll make more videos on it as we work with it. But this is the video for now, and that's what you need to see. So, but anyway, if you have any questions, you can ask me in my group about it, or you can maybe, if we leave the comments on, you can make comments in the video itself and ask. But that's how it works, and it works good. It's I'd say it's a place to get for places that have no electricity. So, you got anything to say? So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.